Hey, wonderful learners! Today, Leo and Poppy are going to help us become problem detectives. Sometimes problems can feel very big, sometimes they are small, and sometimes our feelings can feel a little tricky too. Let's see if we can solve the problems together. Leo and Poppy's first problem. Poppy drops her ice cream onto the floor in the park. Oh no, my ice cream fell on the floor. That's upsetting, Poppy, said Leo. Is this a big problem or a small problem? Yes, you're right. This is a small problem. Poppy feels sad, but she is safe. Maybe after she has cleaned up the mess, she can get another ice cream later. Poppy said, I still feel disappointed, but I'll be okay. Leo and Poppy's second problem. They're excited today as they are going to the toy shop with their mum. Leo gets lost in the toy shop. He looks worried. Poppy, Mum, where are you? Oh dear, Leo cannot find his mum and Poppy. Is this a big problem or is it a small problem? You're correct. This is a big problem. When we are lost, we must stay calm and find a safe grown-up to help us. Leo says, I can ask a shop worker or find a kind person to help me. Good thinking, Leo. Leo and Poppy's third problem. Poppy notices her drawing is ripped. Oh no, said Poppy. My beautiful picture is damaged. Leo said, that's frustrating. Is this a big problem or a small problem? You're right, this is a small problem. It feels upsetting, but pictures can sometimes be fixed or redrawn. Poppy said, maybe I can ask my teacher to help me use some tape to make it better. Great problem solving, Poppy. Leo and Poppy's fourth problem today. Leo says, oh, my friend can't play with me today. Poppy sits beside Leo. Poppy says, that feels sad, doesn't it, Leo? And Leo says, yes, I feel disappointed. Sometimes feelings can feel tricky. Is this a big problem or a small problem? You're right, this is a small problem. This is not a dangerous problem, but feelings still matter. Maybe you can play with your friend tomorrow, said Poppy, and I can still play with you today. Talking about our feelings can really help. Great job, problem detectives. Today we learned small problems can feel upsetting, but they can often be fixed. Big problems may need help from a safe grown-up. And tricky problems matter too. Remember, talking, thinking calmly and asking for help can make problems easier to solve. Leo and Poppy say, we hope you had fun learning with us today. See you next time. Bye-bye.